So this is from the May 30th FTP drop. We're going to be unboxing it today. But before I get into it, the drop was kind of crazy, or just kind of like a mess just because of the website. If you guys didn't go for anything, I want to say it was down for like 40 minutes just because it was having so many issues. I think the drop itself was pretty cool, but definitely the website had some issues. That being said, I didn't really get everything I wanted from the drop. I also wanted to go for the FTP upside down logo shirt. It just had the logo upside down here and then the logo upside down on the back, similar to like Antisocial, where you just got the front logo and the back logo and it was just upside down. But yeah, I got into the website whenever it dropped at like 2 or 4 or whatever it was my time, and you try to add stuff to the cart and it just wouldn't add, or if you got to the cart it just wouldn't let you go forward. It was just a complete mess. For me though, like I said, I gave up, and then a couple hours later I came back and I was looking at everything, and this shirt was actually one of the only things still left in stock, which I was kind of surprised. Like, this is one of my favorite pieces from the drop. It's very simple though, and it's, you know, not very FTP-y, I guess, where it's like kind of like edgy. As far as shipping goes, I don't think it was too bad. Obviously not great. The drop was May 30th, which is on a weekend, and then today is June 16th, so it took like 17 days total, but it did get ordered on a weekend, so, you know, adds a couple days. But yeah, I don't think it was that bad, like 2 weeks basically to get the... I don't have anything else to say, so we'll get this opened up. And sometimes FTP, it's kind of random whether or not they include stickers, so we'll see if we got some stickers. A bunch of stuff fell out. Alright, let me see if I got everything. Yeah, alright. So, we got the label, and we got one sticker. Very interesting purple hue to use for a sticker, but we just got this purple one. We got the T. Came in some very nice packaging. I don't think I've ever got packaging like this from FTP. And I'll also mention that I'll do either B-roll, like up close shots over while I'm talking, or also at the very end of the video. So if you guys get bored, you can skip to the end to check that out, or yeah, just like, you know, wait around for it. Here we go though. Fitting the summer drop or whatever, this is a short sleeve, but just feeling it, it feels pretty thick, honestly. One of the things I really liked about this, probably the main reason I got it, was because it is this like flannel material where it's kind of like a softer cotton, instead of something along the lines of like a dress shirt, which I'm really not a big fan of. So I do like that it's made out of like a flannel material. As far as FTP branding goes, you only have this little tab right here on the side, and then you also have on the chest FTP embroidered. I will say the embroidery doesn't look the best. I don't think it's necessarily bad embroidery, but it's just kind of like fuzzy. Maybe not the most detailed or fine embroidery, kind of like they use too thick of a thread to embroider it, but still not disappointed. I like it. And with that, we'll try this on, give you guys a little fit review. So you get it all unbuttoned. I usually wear, or like I've been moving more towards XL sizing lately, but yeah, I'll border like on a large or an XL, and I originally was going to order this in an XL, but since I came through late, all the XLs were sold out, so this is a large. But I think, yeah, it feels fine. I think you'll be fine because FTP does kind of fit on the little larger side. That's, I got the FTP Lyrical Lemonade tee, and I got that in an XL, and it's pretty big. But yeah, I think this is fine. And you know, if you guys want like a side comparison, I don't know how well you can see it. Maybe I'll grab some pictures later, but the length is good. I think it's like pretty normal for like a large or anything. I don't think it's that short. And then once again on the sleeves too, like probably like 1.5 to 2 inches above my elbows. So I don't think that's bad. I think the fit is good. It's comfortable. It's a nice flannel. I'm happy with the purchase. Next up, we have this accessory, so I'll do a fit review for that as well. So the fit was a little bit small, but it usually tends to go that way. Nah, I'm just kidding. That's actually for when I get married, so I'm going to put that away for safekeeping. Alright, so let's talk about prices. The button-up shirt was $52, which I think might be a little steep, but like honestly, any other brand with like this level of streetwear clout or whatever you want to say is going to charge way more for a button-up. And then also the accessory was $4 for only one, which, you know, obviously is pretty expensive. But I think FTP on those like custom smaller accessories tends to charge more. When we look at the FTP Lyrical Lemonade collaboration, where they had the actual Lyrical Lemonade can, it was like $10 for one can. And yes, it did come in its own custom box, but $10 for a can of lemonade, come on. But anyway, I'm happy with the order. If you guys follow the channel, you know I'm a big flannel boy, so you know I had to get this. And it's getting hot here in Kansas City, so can't be wearing long sleeve flannels. We'll switch it up with the short sleeve and see how much we sweat. That's pretty much all I've got for you guys though. Thank you for watching as always, and I will catch you in the next video.